Ichabod warns, but it does not define the whole church. The flame still burns in houses of prayer, worship-filled altars, and prophetic gatherings where God is known, not just mentioned. Echoing across sanctuaries draped in tradition, but devoid of transformation, a cry that whispers, Ichabod. The name itself, drawn from 1 Samuel 4 verse 21, means the glory has departed, and it now rests like a lament over churches that have traded presence for performance and power for programs. These are assemblies where rituals remain, but the spirit has been removed, and where the flame of consecration has been quenched by man-made doctrine and fear-driven control. The contrast between relationship and religion couldn't be clearer. Born again, lovers of God, not just learners of doctrine. These are the ones who've met him, not just heard about him. They don't serve from obligation. They burn with love that fuels obedience. Worship isn't a performance, it's a response to grace. Their walk isn't about earning, it's about expressing what's already been received. My sheep hear my voice, and I know them, and they follow me. John 10 verse 27. Not born again, religious nomads in search of earned redemption. They bounce from one church to another, chasing formulas and human approval. They work for salvation like it's a prize, not a gift. Often sincere, but sincerely stuck in legalism or tradition. They know about God, but don't know him intimately. Romans 10 verses 2-3, KJV. 2 For I bear them record that they have a zeal of God, but not according to knowledge. 3 For they being ignorant of God's righteousness, and going about to establish their own righteousness, have not submitted themselves unto the righteousness of God. Consecration without new birth is just performance. Faith without intimacy becomes spiritual labor. Salvation isn't earned, it's received, and then revealed through transformation. What we say, and what the Ichabods say. We say no to tithes as a ticket to heaven. They demand tithes or threaten hell. We proclaim healing, deliverance, prophecy, and tongues. They call them heresy or hallucination. We anticipate the rapture. They say it's fiction. But when the supernatural is denied and the sacred is sanitized, the church becomes a tomb of traditions, beautiful but breathless. What remains is a form of godliness, hollowed of its power. 2 Timothy 3 verse 5. The official nave, the fully expressive, denominationally detached Ichabodian assembly of continued former glory, now functioning under ritualistic observation until further notice.